Looking for the simplest way to stack up cash online with ChatGPT? This is it. Brace yourself, because out of all the ways to earn a living on the internet, this method might just blow your mind. It doesn't involve the usual headache of building websites, freelancing, or spending a single cent. Instead, just head over to this secret website, answer questions using ChatGPT, and watch as commissions flow into your account on autopilot. Don't worry guys, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so don't even think about clicking away. However, remember that every online venture, no matter how mind-blowing, demands time and effort before you start reaping the rewards. With that said, let's dive into the video. You know, lately, there's been a lot of buzz around making money with ChatGPT, particularly through offering freelance services like content writing and whatnot. But, I get it, not everyone is on board with that idea for various reasons. And that's simply because the freelance market is overly competitive, and landing and retaining clients is a tough nut to crack. So, I thought it was time to introduce a fresh approach, something completely different from the usual chatter. So, here's the scoop. This method I'm about to share involves 3 key websites. The first stop is Quora.com, the granddaddy of question and answer social platforms. It's the go-to place for getting answers on just about any topic. We're going to use it to answer other people's questions. Next up, we've got ClickBank. Now, if you're not familiar, ClickBank is a heavyweight in the world of affiliate marketplaces, boasting a vast array of affiliate offers spanning various niches. However, if ClickBank isn't available in your neck of the woods, no worries, there are alternatives like Digistore24. Last but not least, you'll need your trusty sidekick, good old ChatGPT. When you blend these 3 websites together, you've got yourself a recipe for generating passive income. Now, stick around, because I'm about to break down exactly how this method works, step by step. First things first, we need to create your Quora account. It's a breeze. Just head over to Quora.com and look for the sign up option. You can either use your email or log in through Facebook, whichever is more convenient for you. Once you're in, you'll land on your Quora dashboard. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we'll focus on what's essential. Right up here is your trusty search bar, and that's going to be your best friend on Quora. Now, why are we here on Quora, you ask? Well, we're on a mission to find problems that we can help solve using ChatGPT and earn some commissions through ClickBank. Exciting, right? Your ChatGPT is like your personal problem-solving assistant, and ClickBank is where you'll find products to promote and earn commissions from. It's a powerful duo. But with so many topics out there, where should you start? I recommend concentrating on 4 broad categories that tend to yield quick results: health, wealth, cooking, and relationships. Let me break it down with a couple of examples. 1. Health. Imagine you have expertise in fitness or nutrition. You could dive into topics like weight loss, healthy eating, weight loss recipes, or stress relief. People are always looking for ways to improve their well-being, and you can be the one to guide them. 2. Wealth. Maybe you're knowledgeable about making money online, investing, or personal finance. You could explore topics like how to make money online, stock market tips, or saving for retirement. There's a vast audience eager to learn from your insights. 3. Relationships. If you're a relationship guru, topics like dating advice, marriage counseling, or maintaining friendships could be your niche. People are constantly seeking guidance on building and maintaining meaningful connections. Of course, these are just a few examples. Quora is a treasure trove of knowledge, and you can explore a wide range of topics that align with your expertise and interests. Honestly, you guys don't need to be an expert in any of these fields. We are going to be using ChatGPT anyway. Yes, but it's a plus if you guys know a thing or two about that particular niche. So, now that you've got the basics down, let's head over to the next step. Let's choose the food and recipes category. You can even choose a subcategory like weight loss recipes in the food and recipes category. Let's type weight loss recipes into the search bar, and you'll be presented with a plethora of questions related to this topic. To narrow down your competition and find questions with fresh opportunities, use the filters on the left-hand side. Set the type to questions and the time frame to past hour or past day. By doing this, you'll be among the first to respond to new questions, giving you a significant competitive edge. After applying the filters, you'll see a list of recently posted questions about weight loss recipes. Choose one that you find interesting or that aligns with the ClickBank products you intend to promote. For instance, let's take this question. Copy the selected question, and now we'll head over to ChatGPT to initiate a conversation. Here's where the magic happens. You'll ask ChatGPT to provide a detailed answer. It's often a good idea to request that the response be split into sections with a summary in bullet points at the end. This makes your answers more appealing and digestible. You can even ask ChatGPT to include something about the product you intend to promote. Once ChatGPT generates your response, simply copy it and return to Quora. Click on the Answer button for the selected question and paste the text from ChatGPT. To make your response more visually appealing and easier to read, consider bolding important keywords or adding some spacing between paragraphs. Now, before you hit that Post button, there's one crucial step left: finding a relevant ClickBank product to promote. This product should address the question or problem you've just answered on Quora. Aligning your answer with a suitable product increases your chances of earning commissions. Alright, let's head over to the next step. Getting started is easy. Just hop on over to clickbank.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with a bunch of exciting offers to promote. On the left side of your screen, you'll find a handy list of product categories. Now, here's the fun part. Let's find a product that matches the topic or question we're dealing with. In my case, I'm going to look for something related to food and recipes, so I'll type that into the search bar. Voila! A bunch of weight loss related supplements and recipes have popped up. We also have a lot of vegan recipes. Take your time to explore these options, and when you find one that really speaks to you or fits your needs, it's time to create your affiliate link. Similarly, you can do so with other niches as well. For example, the health niche. You can go to ChatGPT, generate an answer, come to ClickBank, and search for a product in that category. For me, I'm going with Acaria Lean Belly Juice. It just feels like the right fit. So, go ahead and choose your favorite offer, and then click on the option to generate your affiliate link. That's all there is to it. So, after we've gathered all the answers and affiliate links, it's time to head back to Quora and give our answer that personal touch. What's left to do now is to sprinkle in that affiliate link to make our response even more helpful and potentially lucrative. Let's say you want to recommend a product. Start by creating a new section in your answer with a heading like, My Recommendation. Then, paste in the name of the product you're promoting. Don't just toss the link in there once and call it a day. Instead, strategically place the affiliate link at various points throughout your answer, not just at the end. When you're satisfied with how your answer looks, hit that Post button. From that point on, whenever someone reads your answer and decides to click on that affiliate link to make a purchase, you'll start earning a commission. You only need to do this setup once, and your answer will remain on Quora forever, generating passive income without any additional effort on your part. Make sure to answer as many questions as possible every single day, and be quick on the draw. And there you have it, the conclusion of today's presentation. Your time and attention mean a lot to us, and we sincerely appreciate you joining us for this content. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Ring that notification bell so you never miss an update, and be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below, and see you in the next video.